Guys, welcome back. Today we have belt science. On this episode of Belt Science, it's featuring this bank truck, and we're gonna do some caliber tests on it. And I have some friends with me here, the LMT Supreme Leader.
I'm Kevin.
And the Reloading Supreme Leader.
I'm George.
This is technically an armored bank truck, and we're going to see if it is actually bulletproof. Do you guys have any predictions?
It's not bulletproof.
I missed. How many mags did you bring?
One.
I also only brought one. How many mags did you bring? It's gonna be a long day, gentlemen. All right, well. Kevin, I think you should do a trick shot. Oh! What do we call this? The battle pyramid? Looks like we're exposing some metal framing back here. Still no actual penetration yet. That hurt my hand, okay. We're gonna see if the glass is bulletproof now. Dude, it's looking meaty.
Ooh.
Nice and meaty. I think
you got a buzz.
I think this is where we're gonna focus our efforts to see if we can get the 22 through the glass. That's 100% through. Oh, we hit this glass.
You did?
Yeah, and the seatbelt.
Wait, what?
We have penetrated.
Oh, it's hot.
Really?
It's like definitely hot. Feel that.
Really warm. Wow. We have successfully penetrated the bank truck. We have determined that the side of the truck here is 22 proof, but this is what was interesting. This is some sort of bulletproof glass. I don't know what level it is. Probably like 150 rounds?
That was more than that. It was a lot.
250
like
rounds?
200 some rounds.
Let's say 200 to 300 rounds to break the seal on this, and we successfully got rounds inside, ricocheting off the side and impacting the chair and some of the other glass on the inside. The belt bank is 22 resistant on the glass, but it is bulletproof on the side of the truck. So we shot it with 22. You guys can see we circled it with the wax pen. We got through the glass, we didn't penetrate the body, but we're stepping up the calibers. We've got everything from 32 ACP, and we've got some specialty rounds like Raufoss 10 mil and Raufoss 45.
Right. Even some Jesse James ammo.
Jesse James ammo.
Lift that lid off, it looks black.
It is black.
Sick! It's black!
All right, let's get to it. First gun, Walther PPK 32 ACP.
Pretty good sized dent, actually.
Yeah, compared to the 22.
It's got a little more oomph than
And
the
this
22.
is still, I think this is only like 900 feet per second or something.
Wait, so what am I doing?
Intro the gun.
The bodyguard.
What caliber is it?
I don't know.
Read it.
2.0?
Hey Hunter, what caliber is the
It's 380. It's 380.
Okay.
All right, this is the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 380. That shit's pretty good.
Looks a little bit more than the 32. It's definitely got a deeper hole.
Ooh. Nice.
All right,
Let's keep going. Next is 9mm. We've got the Nighthawk, Sandhawk. We've got 3 different rounds in here. We got 115, 124s, and then a bonded hollow point 147. Oh! Beautiful.
It's like the same, but the bonded shit is like, it's like bonded. Enhance.
We got the Kimber Classic Carry Pro and 45 God's caliber.
missed the truck.
Dude, no, I heard it.
Where did you shoot?
Did I put it in here? Maybe that's it right there.
Oh yeah, that's it right here. You fucking.
Well, should we just shoot it again to be sure?
No.
That's definitely the 45 hit.
05.
Next, we have the M&P 10 with 180 grain 10 mil.
Oh shit!
Look
God.
how uniform that is.
Alright.
Hey, shouldn't we have shot the 40 cal first? All right, we got the. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's fine. Do whatever you want.
All right, we got the SIG 226 in 40 cal. God's where? Navy SEAL's best gun.
Navy SEAL's best gun.
Navy SEAL's best gun.
Yo!
What the fuck? What the
Dude.
hell?
Hold on, back up, back up.
Wait, no,
No
you got
way.
the circle in there.
Dude, maybe there's different densities throughout the side of this thing. Or 40 is just too meta. Pissing hot.
Pissing hot head loads.
Dude, I wonder if this is like more how. We might have to just do some exhibitions after we get through all the calibers.
Okay, well, let's see what 38 special does.
Hold on.
Wait,
Not-
hold on. Look. I just moved everything away. Like, come here. like a soda can. But like, I can't get it back out now. But the bullet is like right here.
We got an FN 57, 40 grain 57. That made another hole. Wow. It's like 22, but twice the feet per second.
All right, we got the Smith & Wesson M&P Gen. Wait, actually, nah. All right, we got the Smith & Wesson M&P Gen 1. All right, we got some good marks right here. These hollow points ain't faring too well. I don't know if I'd recommend this for home defense.
What caliber?
38,
38
special.
special.
We got the Smith & Wesson 686, 357. We're gonna play Kevin's favorite game. Got a nice impact up here. There's gotta be some different,
I think there's a bar like right here.
well, if there's a bar there, why did it go through?
No, like right here.
Underneath, okay.
Yeah.
I'm just curious, because 5.7 ripped through it. And 40. I mean, 5.7 low-key expected, because cop killer. But 40. I mean,
40.
40 pissing hot.
40.
That's crazy. That's just crazy. So, we got a couple specialty rounds we're going to try now. This is from the Secret Vault. This is 10mm Raufoss. For those of you who don't know what Raufoss is, it is explosive tip 10 mil. We're gonna shoot 2 of them. I've never been able to find this for sale. This was a gift from somebody. Never seen it for sale before, and whatever they are, I'm sure they're crazy expensive now. 10 mil Raufoss.
Oh my god, dude. Yo, that's insane.
It didn't go through, but did it? I think did it do more than the normal 10 mil?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it did. Well, actually, dent-wise, no. Like,
It's like there's more deformation though.
yeah.
That looks crazy.
All right, here we got the Jesse James ammo.
Whoa, is that the Jesse James ammo?
Yeah, man, this shit's unstoppable.
Bro, damn, bro! You shot the door. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
Right there.
Yep.
Pretty good, pretty
Come
good.
around. Come around. What is this?
Not
Jesse James 9. JJ 9.
What is so spicy about this ammo?
It's Jesse James.
yeah.
See, it's Jesse James.
Fire tits. Now we've got God's Caliber and Raufoss. This is 45 Raufoss. This is actually my grandpa's 1911 that I inherited from him.
God. All bark, no bite.
Dude, for real, where's the other 45? Oh, down here. Did more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot the window with this next.
Damn, bro! It stopped it!
Dude, not even a slight dent. I wonder if Jesse James can stop it.
45 Ralphus.
Yeah.
Alright, the inside of the Ralphus. Nothing. These are from before, but dude, that's like, it didn't even crack the glass on the inside. That's all smooth still.
Ralph is 10 mil on the glass. Dude, they like melted onto it.
Damn, SA, chill.
Oh, these definitely did way more damage. Look at the backside.
Holy fuck! Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Jesse James ammos!
Shit! It's black!
We're Bill drilling it.
H&R, DOE, 9 mil. Figure we need to bump up the rate of fire a little bit. Nice. Oh, it went through! Look at this glass on this side. Come here! Look at this little, holy shit!
Damn. Dude.
Smith & Wesson model 1854. We've got 4 rounds of 44 Magnum. First one's a 240 grain supersonic. Next is a 300 grain supersonic. 280 grain subsonic. 400 grain subsonic. Oh, the super's smoking through it.
Which one's which?
This is 240 super.
What caliber?
44. 300 super, or 344. 280 sub. $400 sub.
All right, this is the HK UMP45. This is a Def Guns receiver. Def Guns, if you see this, bring your G36 receivers back.
I'm not giving up on 9 mil. This is a 10.5 inch barrel. We've got the 147 bonded hollow points in here. And we're gonna direct them all. Ooh, that is not in battery. No, it is. We're gonna direct them all in the same area of fire.
Oh shit.
It is smoking. Another round with the SMG. We're gonna favor the back and see if we can poke a hole. Dude, nothing.
What? Denting under these?
There's nothing on the other
I
side.
can see a hole through the.
Wait,
fucking-
yeah, I can see a hole
there's
too.
a hole through.
Oh yeah. Pretty interesting stuff. 9 mil can get through some of the truck. 40 can get through some of the truck. Ralphus did not, but we did absolutely fuck up this glass.
Spider tits ammo.
Spider, I don't know how much I want to actually reference that. So we shot a bunch of different rounds at this, some surprising, some not. What was the biggest surprise for you?
45 Ralphus not punching through. That
Yeah.
was pretty surprising.
Honestly, I would say
40 cal ripping
yeah.
through.
for me, 40 cal
Yeah.
going through, that's insane.
That was the biggest surprise for me as well.
Pissing hot.
Pissing hot.
Pissing
I mean,
hot.
it's pissing hot, but don't
But
get me wrong,
here's-
it's factory ball ammo.
But as you can see, if you have enough 9mm, you can get through, and this was actually the only one to penetrate through the metal
You know,
of the truck.
Right where you're standing here, you can actually see it did rip through there too.
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's through and through, because there's like another
There's
piece of
that
metal.
cage on the inside.
Yeah.
Right,
So-
this one actually went into the cabin.
Yep.
Yeah,